Hi, Derek here with Architectural Iron Designs presenting the new CGI 40-2IN tension bar, also called turnbuckle, for use with cantilever hardware gate system, the Duragate gate system. What's nice about this newly engineered design is that it is shaped to fit both 2-inch square tubing as well as 2 3/8-inch diameter pipe. Simply insert the unit into the tubing or the pipe, fasten it with the attachment screws, apply the tension to remove any sag at the nose of the gate to lift it up to get it level, and set it and forget it. What's really nice about this new design is that you can use it with both aluminum and steel tubing, but also for use with tandem gates. If one gate is slightly higher or lower than the other, simply apply a little tension to one or the other to get the two gates in alignment and get them perfectly level with each other.